Robin from Rainbow Gardens here, and today we are planting garlic. Garlic is best planted in the fall. It is extremely frost hardy, so you don't have to worry about any damage through the winter. If you plant your garlic this month, in October, you should be harvesting garlic in June. Hopefully, you have some good soil that you have amended with a lot of organic matter, compost, peat moss, worm castings, all that good stuff. We're actually going to use some Fox Farm, the Ocean Forest. It's got all of those things in it, lots of good stuff. So that's what we are using today. This type of soil grows great garlic. If you don't have any amended soil that is nice and loose, you might end up with small and wonky garlic bulbs. Unlike many other veggies and herbs, garlic is not planted by seeds. It's planted by cloves. Check your cloves and discard the long, slender ones in the middle. Also discard any cloves that have side shoots growing on them or that look puny. The larger the clove, the larger your garlic bulb will be at harvest time. Plant garlic noses up. That means pointy side up. This makes it more likely that you'll get nice straight necks and a good yield. Garlic cloves are planted around 3 to 6 inches apart in rows that are 18 to 24 inches apart. We, in this situation, are using a grow bag. So we have maximized our space and we have our garlic cloves separated properly. You don't have to be exact, that's why there's a range, but if you plant them about that distance, it offers a good amount of space to grow to its fullest potential. When watering, remember that most garlic roots grow in the top 2 feet of soil. You should irrigate to that depth at each watering. As the bulbs get closer to maturing, you'll back off on the watering. So that's pretty much all there is to it for planting garlic. So don't worry, we'll be checking in with you to let you know what to do as your garlic continues to grow. Okay, and now as an added bonus, we are going to plant some carrots as a great companion plant to our garlic. We're going to plant from seeds and we're going to show you guys how to do it. So these carrot seeds are super tiny. So we are going to show you a little trick to help get these guys germinated. So I am going to make a little row here, just a little bit, and drop these tiny seeds in here. So since these seeds are so tiny, they could easily fly away or get washed away with water. So what we're going to do is put this board right on top of them. That's going to keep them moist and will help them germinate. I'm going to keep checking this every couple of days, and as soon as I see some growth coming up, then I know it's okay to remove that board because it has set its roots. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue to follow us to check out how our garlic and carrots are doing and the rest of our demo garden. And look guys, we have beans already. How awesome is that? So it's happening. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.